Welcome on this wonderful sunny day on March 9th, 2014, premiering our first Avalanche Callaway model Supercharged edition. This is the Callaway here, featuring the rims, 22-inch wheel, as you can see, very, very beautiful. That gives you, on any terrain, the handling and also the style preference that you desire. This body here is a wonderful design, the featuring Avalanche model design, also the style that Cadillac, which is our luxury line, features this same design on. This Black Diamond Edition Cadillac Callaway is wonderful in itself, and I mean wonderful in itself because if you simply just go inside and you take a look, it gives you the crossover, Paul, of best of both worlds. I mean, you cannot get any more detailed than this. The Callaway has done a wonderful job by supercharging this thing out to 450 horsepower, and they have given the interior a wonderful decor. If you see there the headrest, the Callaway design branded into the seat, and we have here on the steering wheel, wow, just the uberous of design, and it has the Callaway deco imprinted there, and we have just a beautiful symbol. Again, moving into the interior aspect of the controls, we give you here, wow, look at that, look at that, just beautiful, gorgeous. The Supercharged Callaway presents everything that an automobile has to offer. The fold down seats, the room style and room for travel, navigation system. If you need to find any whereabouts of where you're going, that there can help you. Simply the Best by Chevrolet, giving you the feature for OnStar capability right there. And when you need the sun to come in, yeah, there it is. The sun comes in. Wow. Now this is, when I mean premiere, I mean this is the first Chevy Avalanche Callaway Black Diamond Edition that has hit this province of Alberta, one of the first. As you can see, they've done a superior job in letting this automobile just the best of crossovers, of best of both worlds, luxury and sport meet, and the superior fineness of design and also quality. Now, as we go, like I said, it holds the same design as the Cadillac EXT, and this is a well sought after vehicle. It holds its value, knowing that it is one of the models that Callaway has put out as a sport edition and a luxury. It gives the occupant the most wonderful travel and security that nature has to offer, or sport utility has to offer. So that is here a look at this magnificent vehicle. Look at the pipes on that thing, just beautiful. Checking out the engine real quick, actually, get a chance to go around there to check under the hood. Oh yeah, look at that intake system, very nice. Very nice. They have definitely done their job in keeping this vehicle's performance to the T. Runs smooth, very silent. It is the ultimate machine. Ultimate machine. Beauty. And that is it for the Chevy Callaway Supercharged Edition.